Hey, what's going on? My name is Ricardo Figueroa. This video, I'm going to show you the importance of how not to get banned on Facebook. If you're promoting affiliate marketing, it's very important that you use a landing page in which I'm going to show you how to set up that landing page, the disclaimers that you need on Facebook, and also you need to use a domain. It is the best practice to have your own domain. You need to purchase that domain using Namecheap, and I'm gonna walk you through the whole process of getting that domain, connect that domain with ClickMagick, and then you must use that domain or link to promote your offer on Facebook. You cannot go on like ClickBank and use this link right here, because once you create this link right here, you will get banned. As soon as you put this link on Facebook, you are going to get banned. So this is very important. If you want to make money with ClickBank, first thing you need to do is buy your own domain and follow the process that I'm about to show you. Following these steps right here, we're going to add a domain, um, and the why I already explained. We're gonna buy the domain. We're gonna connect that to ClickMagick, and then you need a landing page because you cannot send people straight to the offer. It will look a lot better if you send people to a landing page and then to the offer. And then we need to add this Facebook disclaimer, in which is in the link below. It's in the description of this video below. And then we are going to add the terms and condition and then the private policy. So let's get into it right now. Let me close this. So now the first thing is going to be how to add the domain to ClickMagick, and why I already explained you cannot use um, this link or any affiliate link on Facebook. The best practice is to buy your own domain and then add that domain to a tracker. In this example, I'm using ClickMagick. ClickMagick is a tracker that you could add any domain, and instead of having this clickmagick.com slash your username, you could add any domain that you want, and it will look a lot better. For this example, health and gratitude for life slash your offer. So it looks better, and also it will help you not to get banned on Facebook. So now let's buy a domain. So you should go to, let's go to namecheap.com. There's the link below for you to grab your domain with using Namecheap. In this example, I'm going to use this one right here. Once you purchase the domain using the link below, you're gonna come to this page. It's under your domain list, right here, domain list. Find your domain, click on manage. Once you are here, it logged me out. Once you are here inside the domain list, you must go to advanced DNS. When you under advanced DNS, this is the setup that you must have. Your A record, just delete anything that you have here. Once you purchase your domain, just delete anything that you have here and start from scratch. Just click add new record, A record, the add under host, the value. You're going to type this IP address right here, and then set it up for 30 minutes, and then add another record, CNAME record, www, and click clkmg.com for 30 minutes. How you get this information? When you go to ClickMagick, there's a link also below for a free trial for ClickMagick, because this is a nice tracker for you to use for Facebook and Bing ads. Once you start your free trial with ClickMagick using the link below, you go to tools, you go under help FAQs, and then you click on right here, what is the recommended way to set up a custom domain. You scroll down a little bit, you look for that CNAME or the A record. Scroll down, and this is how you set it up. Yes, your CNAME record, for tracking links, Rotators are links that are switching landing pages or switching links for you. But in this example, I'm not going to use a rotator, so this is the thing that you need inside of Namecheap. So remember, CNAME record. This is the site that you need. So CNAME record, www, and then this 30 minutes. Hit OK or accept, and you should be good to go. Now for the A record, let's look for the A record. You scroll down, scroll down. You will find that you're at a new A record to one of your IP address is for the tracking links is this one or this one. For rotators are always different. So this is the one for rotators. But in this example, we're not gonna use a rotator. We're just gonna use that the 5097 to 12250. It's an A record at 5097 to 12250, 30 minutes, and then you hit save, and you should be good to go. Then once you have that, you purchase the domain, you add these two things, erase the previous one, add these two new ones, accept. It should take maybe 24 48 hours to, but most of the time it's just faster than that. Then you come here and then you go to tools, then you hit domain manager, and then here you type your domain. Just put it there and hit add custom domain. In the beginning, until this is not properly propagated or set up, you cannot, or you will receive like an error here. It says oops, something like that. It's gonna take, so just give some time for this to work, and then try this one. Try to add the domain here. Once you have it set up, it's gonna show you your DNS, CNAME, DNS record are good to go. So when you start creating your links, you will have no issues just looking for your stuff. See, as you can see, both of them are already added here, health and gratitude for life.com. Now I could use this link. Let's say I'm gonna promote this software, right? I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna go to ClickMagick, and I'm gonna create a link for it. So just look at the link right now. This is my promotion link. If I take this to a preview, it's supposed to take me to the offer. As you can see, this is the offer. I've never used this horrible clickback link. I use the one that we just connected to in ClickMagick. Let me try this. As you can see here, it changed to ClickMagick, so I'm masking the link. So there's, if you click on cloak link, it's gonna hide that the it's gonna hide the this link right here that we got from ClickBank, this one. So just make sure you also click on cloaking, and then so you can hide this link for Facebook customer service, and wait you don't get banned. But this should work, and there are all the things that you need. Of course, you need a landing page. Never take your customers. Let's say you create the ad on Facebook. Let's look on Facebook right here. I'm looking for a sponsor. Let's say a sponsor. When they click the learn more, never send people straight to the offer, to this uh, to this, like a page like this. Always send people to a landing page. The landing page you could use learn more. You could use ClickFunnels in this example. This is the disclaimer that you need in all your Facebook. Let me follow my example here. Connect the domain. We already did that. So why you need a landing page? Because you never connect your offer straight to the offer on Facebook or Google or Bing. In Bing you can do it, but it's better if you pre-qualify people, have them engage with your landing page. It will be a lot better. So always use a landing page. And let me show you the landing page that you could use. An example. Let's say this is an offer about whatever. In this example, this is like an agency page in which I'm going to do another video just in a few minutes about how to get accepted to Purefly and Max Bounty. You need a website, and I'm going to do that video right after this one. But just let's pretend this is a landing page about weight loss. So you need a landing page. It's better if you send people to a landing page, write down things about the offer in which you can copy things like from this page. You could use something that they have in this example. It's not that clear. They don't have anything like really good about it, but you could just find a better offer and then use something to create like this picture. You could add it to your landing page, and that way you could show people what your offer is about. Make it simple. Don't go too crazy and long like this one. And then when they hit the take me to the offer, it's going to take them from this page to the offer. Um, in this case, this is just a crypto stuff offer. It's just a random one that I picked. And also, this is the disclaimer that you need. That is also in the description of the video. You need this disclaimer on every single landing page that you use for Facebook ads. So this is not a part of Facebook website or Facebook Inc. Additionally, this is not endorsed by Facebook in any way. Facebook is a trademark or Facebook Inc. You must add this to every single landing page. Also, you need terms and conditions, but also you need a private policy. And how you could add these terms and private policy, just go to the offer. Most of these offers has already a link in them. Just click on them like privacy. That's their privacy. Just copy the link, go back to ClickFunnels, highlight the entire word, go to link, delete this number right here and paste it. That's it. And then you do the same thing for terms. Go back to the offer, click on terms, copy that link, go to your lander, go to terms, and go to terms, link, delete that number, paste it, and you should be good to go. Now you have your landing page. Now you have your terms and condition and policy. You should be in compliance with Facebook right now because you have your own domain set up here, and there are other steps that you need to make for you to track this the right way. But this is a short video on just how to add a domain, how to at least have a landing page with compliant with Facebook and don't get banned. If you want to learn more about this course, affiliate marketing course, there's a link below. It's a course that will show you step by step how to start affiliate marketing and just kill it using Facebook ads and using Bing ads. So it's a complete course, and that's how I learned all these steps. And yes, you need a tracking. In this case, we're using ClickMagick. You need a landing page builder. In this case, I'm using ClickFunnels, and those are the two things at least that you need to start with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, just drop your comment below. Let me know, and we can work something out. Just to recap, you need a domain to promote on Facebook, a custom domain. We set up the advanced DNS to point this to our tracker. In this case, is ClickMagick, and then in ClickMagick, we added the domain following the steps before. Go to help, FAQs, set up domain. We found the CNAME record. We need to point that to ClickMagick and then find a record that is not a rotator. In this case, we use this. We set it up for 30 minutes. Okay, we erase everything that was there before, and then we created our landing page using ClickFunnels. There's a 14-day trial below. You create your lander, you send people from your lander to your offer using the tracking system using ClickMagick, in which, remember, there's a course below showing you a step-by-step of how to do all this and make just crazy money with affiliate marketing. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get accepted to PeerFly and Max Bounty. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, drop your comment below, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up, and see you until the next one.